Hi Professor, PAs, fellow students, and others who are watching this video. My name is Christopher Nathanael, and I'll be presenting my CSCB58 final platformer game project named Chrome the Offline Dino. As the name suggests, my game is inspired by the Google Chrome Offline Dinosaur game where you will endlessly run in a horizontal direction, jumping over cactus, and dodging pterodactyl. In my game, I try to utilize more of the available vertical screen space by turning the game from an endless horizontal runner to a single screen platformer game. Without waiting any longer, let's go start the game. You will be first greeted by a start menu, which has two options: start the game or quit the game. To move the cursor up and down, you can press any of the WASD keys or the IJKL keys. And to select your option, hit space. The primary objective of this game is to reach the egg at the bottom right hand side of the screen without losing all of your health in the top left by avoiding harmful entities such as the cacti, pterodactyls, and the poison being spit by the pterodactyl. Each collision takes away half a health bar, as shown, and when you get hit, your character loses health, turns red, and is given half a second of damage invincibility. In terms of basic controls, this game supports both WASD and IJKL for movement, D or L for moving right, A or J for moving left, W, I, or spacebar to jump, and double jump, which you can only do once for each jump. As seen, all basic functionalities such as collision, gravity, border track all works. And lastly, you can press P to restart the game, bringing you back to the start menu. As I will play through this level, you can notice that there are a lot of moving things in the screen other than your character. We have animated sprites where the images for the pterodactyl and the main character are animated as you move around the map. This is done by alternating between images every 5 frames. We are approaching one of the harder parts of the level to get past without taking any damage. We have this hovering pterodactyl that shoots poison at you, which prevents the player from just standing there and doing nothing. And as you can see, getting hit by the poison takes away half a heart. Satisfying, the enemy can shoot back, additional feature. After we get past the shooting pterodactyl, we have another pterodactyl that patrols the top of the mountain, flying back and forth. This moving enemy does not only provide a challenge to jump over, but also forces the player to quickly jump down to the moving platforms, the final part of the map. For the sake of demonstrating my features, suppose you get hit by the cactus here, which is a real shame considering how close you are to the egg. You will be greeted by a game over screen with a picture of the dino skeleton and the text saying you died as you lost all of your health, which is a failed condition for my game. Press any key to exit and return to the start menu. Now, we will try to reach our winning condition, which is the egg. As the spice takes up, I'll try my hardest to not get hit at all to show that this game is actually beatable. Let's give it a shot over here. Oops. Okay. There you go. I finally reached the egg, and despite getting hit once, luckily, I'm given 6 chances to get hit, as each collision with a damaging entity takes away half a health bar only. In the you win screen, you will be shown your final health count, and I found it really fun and challenging to try to do a perfect run without losing any of your health. Press any button to exit to the start menu, and move our cursor down to the quit and hit space. The program will terminate, as seen in the right hand side. Before ending this video, let's do one more test run of the game to recap the features that we've implemented in milestones 1, 2, and 3. You can see dinos can navigate left and right. And there's this border check that's working, that's preventing the dino from going away from the screen. how double jump works, and it's certainly very helpful as you navigate through the map. And interestingly, if we start falling, you're also given a chance to jump once, which works the same way like how double jump works. There's this dino that shoots poison. If you get hit, you lose half a heart. And for the dino that's patrolling back and forth at the top, the pterodactyl to be exact, if you get hit by it, it's the same like the cactus, you will lose half a health bar. Try it. Not die there. And this moving platform also has the same collision check, like how we're standing on platforms and falling off them once we no longer stand on the platform. To further show that our U-win screen actually shows the current health bar, as soon as we hit the egg, to show the U-win screen, and there you can see your last health status before you finish the game. To end this video, I will share my final thoughts about this project. This platform game project has been really fun to do, and despite it being one of the heavier projects I've ever done, it was extremely rewarding to see the result of all the hours that I've put into this project come to life. The code and resource to this project can be found in the GitHub link, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video demonstration of my project. Take care, everyone.